from the group Arts, appreciating, reviving, and teaching skills. Would you dare to explore something new? Let's try crepes. Instead of boring frozen pancakes, crepes can be served as breakfast, lunch, or dessert with fruit toppings, different fillings, meats, vegetables, or cheeses. For example, the combination of spinach and feta. The possibilities are endless. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to make a basic crepe. First, the ingredients you will need are vanilla extract, 1 cup of milk, 4 eggs, a tiny bit of oil, 1 cup of water, flour, 2 cups, and just a pinch of salt. The last ingredient is melted butter. Be careful when you take it out. You're only going to put the 3 tablespoons of butter in for 30 seconds about, until it's pretty liquid. You're putting it in the blender. Then you will need a ladle. You'll need a ladle, a plate, a fork, a spatula, and a small pan. Wet ingredients first. So we're gonna get our milk, water, and eggs. Milk, water, and you're using 4 eggs. Just be careful when you crack them because you don't want to get any of the shell in. Be careful when you do this because we are using a blender, so be careful of the blades. We're also using a stove, so that will be hot. And the pan we'll be using will have oil, and sometimes it does like to crackle and pop. So it may splash. And the vanilla, we only want to use a tiny bit. So we're going to get a spoon and just a little bit. Let me open this. Okay. Just going to use a tiny bit over something so you don't spill it. This is a good amount. You're just going to put that in your blender. I'll give it a little bit of a vanilla taste so it's not plain. And then we're going to blend it. Now that all the liquid is mixed together, we are going to add our dry ingredients, which is 2 cups of flour and just a pinch of salt. What you're going to do just to get a pinch, you're going to pour a tiny bit in your hand. Come on, salt. Like this, and you're going to pinch it with your fingers. You're going to open your blender and pinch it in. If you just have a little extra, you can put 2 and take it off in the sink. Next, you're going to get 2 cups of flour. Whoops. Careful with that. Now, flour is very messy, so do it slowly. If this is your first time or you're just beginning to cook and bake, ask a parent for help and permission. We're just going to put the bowl to the side, and then we're going to blend our dry and wet ingredients together. Okay, so I poured in like half of my ladle, and it's pretty much ready, but when you pour it, you have to make sure you sort of like turn it so the whole little pan gets done. Now, it's ready to get flipped. It's flipped. Next side will... Now that it's definitely ready, see it's golden and brown, and the other side is too. We're going to put it on our plate. And then you can use any filling really. Today I'll be using a ready whipped cream. You can use jam, yogurt, and fruits inside too. I'm going to put some blueberries here. And then all you do is fold And then you can put some blueberries on top. Thanks for watching. Bye.